Do you rent in Minnesota? Over 600,000 residents rent in Minnesota, and they all need to have renter's insurance. The problem is that even though there's a theft of property in Minnesota every 4 minutes, less than 40% of renters have renter's insurance. That means renters just like you are coming home to a catastrophe with no protection. From Rochester in the south to the Canadian border, Minnesota renter's insurance from effective coverage protects everyone in the state. The good news is that Minnesota renter's insurance is more affordable than most states. The average policy, according to the Insurance Information Institute in the state of Minnesota, costs only $150. But policies sold by effective coverage will typically cost even less than that. We know that citizens from Minnesota have always been a proud people since it was admitted to the United States as the 32nd state in 1858. We want to ensure you all recover quickly in case there were to be a catastrophe that occurs. That is why you have to protect yourself with affordable Minnesota renter's insurance. Now, Minnesota renter's insurance comes with many different coverages, and they can get confusing. But the good news is you can break them all down into 3 primary groups. The first part of the coverage is going to be your personal liability insurance. This ensures your protection should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say that you caused a fire with the honest mistake of leaving your stove on, which contributed to one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires every year. This policy will pay to defend you and the damages you cause to other tenants and even the owner of the apartment. Next is personal property coverage. Your personal belongings such as furniture, clothing, and electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a fire or other catastrophe. These policies protect you should your property need to be replaced, even from something as simple as smoke damage from a fire a few apartments down the hall. The last piece of coverage on your Minnesota renter's insurance is loss of use. We researched reputable websites and found out it may cost $180 a night to stay in a hotel in Minneapolis. You would be paying more in one night than it does to afford your renter's insurance for the entire year. Loss of use will pay for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now, here's the good news. You can have all the insurance you need in minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is Effective Coverage for Renters. Just call us up and speak with one of our insurance experts for renters, or visit our website and purchase your Minnesota renter's insurance policy right there. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.